Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Shripad Naik takes on Desh Prabhu again. Constructing community halls is perfectly legal. Congress leader B.K. Hari Prasad warns Advani and Vajpayee to be dumped in the Arabian Sea. Assures of Churchill not working against Congress. Easter celebrated with utmost devotion and great fervour in the state. Scorching summer heat is proving unbearable for Goans. People beat the heat at beaches and natural springs. And above 18 JSK State Karate Championship final held at Kampal. Mahesh Shirodkar and Andrew Fernandez claims the top spot. Now the news in detail. North Goa BJP candidate for Lok Sabha poll and sitting MP Shripad Naik has made it clear that using MP LAD fund for community hall is not illegal. He added that the guidelines of the provision in MP LAD fund do not make it possible to generate employment opportunities.
जॉब ओरिएंटेड काय करू मेळना आणि ताका दिसता ही गायडलायन वाचूंकय नासतली कदाचित ही योजना इतलीच आसा की आपल्या एरियेचो डेव्हलपमेंट तातूंत कॉमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट बसना जातूंतल्यान उत्पन्न मेळटा इवन पंचायती सुद्दां त्या हेतूंतल्यान उत्पन्न मेळटा अशें सुद्दां पंचायती मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स हो परमिसिबल ना.
Naik, however, reiterated that constructing community hall by using MP-led fund is not illegal.
आणि त्या गायडलायन्सीचे रुलाचे चौकटी बसून या उत्तर गोव्याच्या कलेक्टरान ती पास करून हे कम्युनिटी हॉल ज्या जाग्यार कम्युनिटी जमता त्या जाग्यार ते सगळे सपोज करून पूर्ण केल्ले आसात आणि म्हणून अशी जर काही इल्लिगल आसत जाल्यार निश्चितपणे ताणें हितून इल्लिगलिटी कांय ना. तो कलेक्टर जो जिल्ह्याचो कलेक्टर आसता ताणें स्क्रुटिनी करून व्यवस्थितपणे पास करून ते प्रोजेक्ट जाल्ले आसात.
Mandra MLA Lakshmikant Parsekar came down heavily on Jitendra Desh Prabhu and reminded him that people can be fooled sometimes but not all the time.
ज्या गोष्टीत सरकार मोफत दिता त्या गोष्टी खातीर NOC हेची जाय म्हणून हो 1000 रुपया घेता म्हणजे सरकार मोफत दिता त्याच्यात देश प्रभूचो टॅक्स कित्याक लोक हेका निवडून दितले. हां एक दोन फावटी म्हणजे यू कॅन फूल ऑल द पीपल समटाइम यू कॅनॉट फूल ऑल द पीपल ऑल द.
Parsekar went ahead and commented on daily routine of Desh Prabhu.
11 जाली तरी महाराज जर उठूंक ना साहेब झोपलेत जाल्यार मागीर कशें तें जातलें. म्हणजे हे प्रकाशाचे पूजक न्ही हे अंधकाराचे पूजक 11 11:30 12 जाली तरी उठनात आणि म्हणून विधानसभेत उत्कृष्ट परफॉर्मन्स करून सुद्धा जर तो परफॉर्मन्स मतदारांक काय उपयोगाचो ना जाल्यार उपयोग कितें.
Former MLA Sadanand Tanavade and Shioli MLA Dayanand Mandrekar were also present at the press briefing held in Mapsa on Sunday. Our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
The All India Congress Committee General Secretary and in charge of Goa desk B.K. Hari Prasad wants the national opposition leaders L.K. Advani and Atal Bihari Vajpayee to be dumped into the Arabian Sea. Hari Prasad, who has come to Goa for Lok Sabha poll arrangements, has assured to solve the Churchill-Alemao issue. According to Hari Prasad, Churchill is very much active in campaigning for Sardina in his constituency.
General Secretary for All India Congress Committee and desk in charge of Goa, B.K. Hari Prasad, met the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar and other legislators of Congress Party. Hari Prasad revealed the reasons behind his visit to Goa.
The reason for my coming over here, Congress President, our leader, Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji is visiting Goa, especially in southern Goa on 15th of this month. She will be addressing a public rally in Madgaon. That's the reason I came here.
B.K. Hari Prasad did not leave any opportunity to criticize BJP and its leaders.
Unfortunately, the man who makes a statement on the old age of the party, first of all, he should implement in his own political party. First, he should dump Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and another, the oldest man who is in hurry to become the Prime Minister, Advani, should be dumped in the Arabian Sea. If he says that Congress party is old, and he is representing the party of older leaders, but the Congress party he is representing the ethos of the olden history of this country, Congress party. He believes in the this oldest party because it strongly believes in the ethos, the tradition, heritage of this country.
Hari Prasad assures to solve Churchill Alemau's queries.
चर्चिल और रीजनल ने काम नहीं था उसको पार्टी से निकाल देंगे।
ये लोग मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला है, वो लोग बोला है, वो लोग कांग्रेस पार्टी और सोनिया गांधी का हाथ को मजबूत करेंगे। मैं उसका वर्ड पे बहुत भरोसा करता हूँ, जो वो लोग बोलते हैं उसके
वो
साथ
15 दिनों में एक भी कैंपेन के लिए उपस्थित नहीं रहा, इसके बारे में क्या मत?
वो तो कैंपेन कर रहा है।
But firm Churchill Alemau asserts that High Command did not have any role to play regarding his resignation issue.
ते आम्ही डिसाइड केलं नव्हतं करपाचें, त्या काय सांगता जाय तो वाळ कित्याक
ना तो एक ताका विचारला आतां मिटिंगाक, ताका विचारिल्लें आमी की चर्चिलाल इशू कितें करतले ताचेर.
चर्चिलागे इशूचो हायकमांडाक ना, चर्चिलागे इशू लोकल कमांडाक कळ्ळें न्हू. सो म्हाका मुगे ते इशू म्हाका खबर आहा मुगे इशू सारको क्लियर आहा म्हणून. कितें जाता मुगेलें म्हाका तुमी कोण प्रेस बी घाताय म्हणून म्हाका सुद्दां लोकांक सुद्दां आमचेर प्रिंसिपल ना. मुगे एज पर हांव पळय मज जाला तो हांव सारको एज पर लो जाला मज.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Easter or Resurrection Sunday is the day Christians celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. Easter as an annual celebration of the resurrection that lies at the center of a liturgical year. Easter has occupied a central place as the high point of Christian worship. Even today, 75% of Goa's vegetable supply comes from Belgaum. Why? Even after so many schemes made available by the government of Goa, people still opt for white-collar jobs and refuse to get into agriculture.
70 to 75% of vegetable requirement is supplied from Belgaum. Sources say that at present the total vegetable area cultivated in Goa is 8,213 hectare, including 5,194 hectare of land cultivated during the Kharif season and 3,019 hectare land cultivated during Rabi season. The